One little apple, red and bright, hanging on the tree, such a lovely sight. Two little birds with feathers so fine, singing sweet songs on a branch of pine. Three green frogs by the lake so blue, jumping and splashing as frogs love to do. Four tasty treats stacked up high, cookies and cakes, oh my, oh my. Five golden stars twinkling in the night, shining down with a soft warm light. Six buzzing bees in a busy swarm, gathering nectar to keep the hive warm. Seven tall trees standing proud and grand, swaying together across the land. Eight white clouds drifting by, slowly sailing across the sky. Nine shiny coins so round and bright, sparkling softly in the morning light. 10 big steps, let's march along.